Alright, let's do a quick tutorial on how to add Perplexity to your browser so you don't have to go to Google and do your search. So I use Brave. It is a Chrome variant. So the way I've got it set up is if I want to search the web, I do -P for Perplexity, and I just enter in my search that I want to use, and Perplexity is going to come back and tell me all the things that it's got for me. I like this over Google because it's going to search for several different sources, and it's going to give you the sources up at the top, and then it's just going to give you a no BS how to do it. You don't have to search through a bunch of ads and through a bunch of sponsors and whatnot. It's just very clean, and that's kind of why I have abandoned trying Google search. So how do we set this up? But in Chrome or in Brave, what we're going to do, we're going to go to our settings, and then over on the left we're going to go to search engine, and let's see, manage search engine and site search is what we want, so we'll click that. Because Perplexity doesn't have a search engine that fits natively in Chrome, we're going to have to do this site search down here. So what you want to do is you want to add one of these. Let's edit this. So you want to add a search site, give it a name. I gave mine this shortcut of -P, but you can make that whatever you want. And here's the URL that you want to put in this query field down here, and I'll put this in the description. So when you set this up, go ahead and save it. And now what that'll allow you to do is just do -P when you want to search something. So you just pop that in, do your search, and then you get the results back in Perplexity. So I've been using this for about a year now, and I really like it as opposed to Google. So just a quick tutorial. Hope that helps.